Welcome to our compact dryer showdown. Today we will be comparing two popular models, the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 and the Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer. We'll dive into their features, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 can handle up to 8.8 pounds of wet clothes, while the Euhomy model offers a slightly larger capacity of 10 pounds. However, the BLACK+DECKER dryer has a more powerful heating element at 1,400 watts compared to Euhomy's 850 watts. This means that while Euhomy can hold more laundry, the BLACK+DECKER may dry clothes more efficiently, especially in larger loads. In terms of pricing, the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 is priced at $309, making it a more premium option. On the other hand, the Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer is more budget-friendly at $229. If you're looking for a compact dryer that won't break the bank, the Euhomy is an attractive option, especially for those in smaller living spaces. Both dryers offer multiple drying modes. The BLACK+DECKER features 5 modes, including air dry, cool, ECO, warm, and hot, along with a sensor dry function for energy efficiency. In contrast, the Euhomy offers 4 modes: cold, warm, hot, and air dry. While both provide versatility, the additional modes and sensor feature of the BLACK+DECKER give it an edge in usability. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 and the Euhomy 110 volts portable clothes dryer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize power and features, the BLACK+DECKER may be worth the investment. However, if you're looking for a more affordable and lightweight option, the Euhomy is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.